In yesterday's video, I suggested to begin looking at networking events as treasure hunts. In today's video, I want to share with you a step-by-step process on how exactly to introduce yourself to someone at one of these events. And for many people, the reality is they just don't necessarily know what the steps are or how to do it. And this is a very basic system, but it's very effective. And it's this. When you get to the event, scan the room. Look for anyone who's standing by themselves, facing towards the larger cluster of people. They may or may not have a drink in their hands. They may or may not have a smile on their face. Then walk towards them at a slight angle to them, not directly on, at a slight angle. As you get about 5 feet away, as you're kind of coming into their visual range, put a smile on your face. That breaks down a lot of the barriers. And as you get about 2 feet away, just gently raise your hand and lead with your hand as if you're going in for a handshake. As soon as you get to them, about a foot away from them, introduce yourself and enunciate your name. And it goes like this. Hi, John Godoy. Pleasure to meet you. And at this point, they'll introduce themselves, generally. And then at which point you respond by asking a question. A very simple question is, what brings you to this event? And that's it.